Good morning, children, and welcome back once again from our English literature class. Yesterday, I was dealing with third chapter, the north wind and the sun. So again, I am continuing today. See where I stopped yesterday. From there, I am continuing. Please take page number 37. Page number 37. See third paragraph. You see third paragraph. Why do you have to be grumpy and cause trouble all the time? Said sun. So sun, yesterday I told you, sun was also upset because this north wind was causing problem to the sun. The wind was blowing and it was taking away, taking this particular sun, not allowing to stay in one place. And so this was the main problem, north wind. Till here I explained to you yesterday. Now the fourth paragraph you come. I am strong, I rule over winter. See, north wind is saying that I am strong, I am very strong. North wind said I am very strong because I rule over winter. I have power over winter. There is no one as powerful as me. See, no one is more powerful than me. So I am the most powerful one. North wind says, I can blow away ships, trees, and almost everything away. Boasted north wind. Boasted. See, north wind says, I can do many things to ships, trees. The ships can be taken from one direction to the other directions. Trees, when I blow too much, I can break the trees and almost everything away. Boasted north wind. Boasted. It is very proud. Boasting is proud. So the north wind is very boastful itself. Next para. But I to rule over summer. I give heat and light to everyone. Sun is also saying that I also rule during the summer time. People cannot walk when I shine too much. People will feel hot. I give heat and light to everyone. So I am sun. I give light and heat to all trees, plants, human beings, animals, to everyone. So like that, the sun says, plants, people, and animals would die without me. So people, animals, they can die if I don't shine during the daytime. People cannot survive. The crops will not grow, trees and plants will not live. The animals also, and so there will be a lot of problem and difficulties. Surely I am the one who is more powerful, claimed sun. So sun also said, I know I am more powerful, claimed. Surely I am the one who is more powerful. So see, this north wind and the sun, both of them are having dialogue, or they are having conversation, both. Next para. You sit in the sky and do nothing except shine, but I am full of force and energy, said north wind. See what they are telling, both this one north wind is saying, you only sit in the sky, you are remaining in the sky and do nothing. But I am full of energy and force. I have too much power, said the north wind. While they were arguing, they were having argument, they were talking to each other. While they were arguing, a man passed along the road wrapped in a heavy winter coat. So when they were talking, arguing, see, when they were arguing, hot discussion, hot talk, or uh, they were having argument with each other. The man passed the road wrapped in a heavy winter coat. So since it was a cold season, so the man was feeling cold, and then he had put on also coat, and he was moving wrapped. That means he had covered his whole body. He was wearing coat. So while they were arguing, the man passed along the road wrapped in a heavy winter coat. So this particular man is passing from there. Please turn the page. Page number 38. As the taste of strength. As a taste of strength, said son, let us see which of us can take the coat of that man. So now both of them are arguing, and they are saying, let us take who is more powerful. Let us see, he is wearing overcoat. So let us see who can cause problem to this man so that he can open his shirt. So this is the argument going between the north wind and this particular sun. Okay, so dear children, I will continue again in my next class. Thank you for paying attention.